They got a godfish in it. Yeah. They got a godfish in it. He fucked up, bro, but he can't do shit, man. He fucked up, bro. Yeah. That is big, too.
You want me to scope on him?
Ooh. Yeah, they caught that motherfucker too. What he caught it with the jig? A minnow. Yeah, knock that bitch on the head. He gone now. Yeah, he gone now. Yeah, I'm just getting YouTube content right here. Yeah. That man, them folk got that bit, man. That bit big too. Ooh, good fry. Yeah, man. That man that caught that bit. Tell the world what's up, man. Yeah, y'all, you gonna be on YouTube, man. Yeah, go follow me, Country Boy Shaw. Alright, bet. Country Boy Shaw G. They going in, man. Big Fish Kitchen there, goddamn well. They catch a fish, bro. It's another one. Ain't one, but shit. That's all right there, man.